Ready to learn SOLIDWORKS Inspection? In just one day, you can learn how to make the most of this incredibly powerful tool for part inspections and quality. Here's what you learn. In this hands-on training class, you'll learn how to use both the inspection add-in embedded within SOLIDWORKS and the standalone application. You learn using real inspection projects. First, with the overall picks and clicks, like navigating and getting started with a project, and then how to identify all the important dimensions and characteristics that need a closer look. And finally, creating reports to be used by the team out on the floor. You'll also learn some advanced tools to help you save time, like creating templates and some automated character recognition, so you can speed up the process of creating inspection reports. You'll also learn how to leverage measurement input from digital calipers or CMM machines to streamline and solidify SOLIDWORKS Inspection as a core piece of your quality and inspection workflow. Enroll in a class today so you can start saving time, effort, and minimize costly mistakes.